set of T-handle hex screwdrivers by Wera, perfect for all professionals and hobbyists. Ergonomic 2-component handle assures fatigue-free working. The handle shape provides maximum torque. Additionally, short arm allows for even higher torque as the longer arm may work as a lever. Each tool is marked and color-coded according to Wera Take It Easy system. The set contains 2 T-handle hex screwdrivers and 8 T-handle hex screwdrivers with holding function. A resilient ball located at the tooltip helps with holding the screws. The set also contains a metal rack that can be mounted to a wall or placed on a workshop table. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.